Don't stop it.
First Jamaican to ever break 145.
Alright. Boom.
First
Right
time.
there, so.
Big man thing.
Yeah, man.
Big
Good
man
run,
thing, my
man.
youth.
Good run. Great.
Hey Trekkies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Trekkies, I have great news. As I usually say, I'm over the moon. Trekkies, Navasky Anderson makes it. It's a clutch performance and I'm excited. Now, who is Navasky Anderson? Of course, he's our national record holder over the 800 meters and he just smashed that yesterday at the DC Track Championship to run the qualifying standard dead on the nose. Trackies 144.70. I am excited. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but I'm cracking up and crying at this moment to how excited I am. Now, Trackies, of course, the qualifying standard was changed from last year. And of course, I was watching him. He ran 145.70 a week ago. And I'm like, so close yet so far away. And on the last day, Trackies, July the 30th, Navasky Anderson came out and dropped a new national record to qualify for the World Championships. Trackies running 144.70 again. I'm so excited. I'm breaking up. But anyway, Trackies, you all sound off in the comment section below. Are you as excited as I am that Navasky Anderson pulled out a clutch performance and made the team to the World Championships? Sound off. And as usual, like the video and subscribe. I will catch you in a next one.